Welcome back to Ask Nehru. Today we are going to explore various observable creation functions such as of, from, interval, timer. So these functions make it easy to create observable with different behaviors. So let's get into the code straight away. Okay. So we have already seen about of creation function in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe it. Now, let me create one observable with of observable. Okay, of observable, and I just give this observable symbol, the dollar symbol. So this will do nothing but it is just to indicate to the developers that it is an observable. Okay, so in the ng on it lifecycle hook, I just print all the values which is emitted by the of creation function. So what this will do, it will simply emit all the values. So we are subscribing it, it emits the data. It's nothing but an observer. So it is as simple as that. Just subscribe it and get an observer, and this observer we print it here. So all the values will be emitted one after another. I just save it and show you the result. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So everything is emitted. So this is nice, guys. I just comment it before going to next creation function. Okay, now in this we take from observable. Okay, so now I create a variable called from observable with a dollar sign and simply from, and within the array we give 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See the difference, guys, the difference between of and from. So of takes the element directly into the function, I mean the creation function, but from takes any iterable objects. Here in this case I have given array, so array is an iterable function, therefore it takes that one. Okay, similarly we can take new map, that is very familiar to create objects, and we can take promise as well. Now let me show you few examples. So now I have taken an array which has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I just created with this and take the subscribe because I want to print the value, and observer is being declared and the observer I'm printing here. So what will happen, I just save it. See the same 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is printed. It is commented, it is printed because we are creating an observable from an array. So it emits values one after another. That's fantastic, guys. Now let's move to next one. The next one is interval. Okay. Yeah, interval observer, so observable with a dollar sign and interval. I just gives 1 second. This 1000 is nothing but 1 second, I mean 1000 milliseconds. Now I want to print this, guys. This dot interval object dot subscribe. So console 1, 2, console, I just print this value. So what will happen? It will return from 0th. So waiting for the result. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3. It will goes on, guys. It will goes on. Now it's stuck because there are some browser caching issues. But if you clear the cache, it will work. So for you, I just want to clear the cache. Yes, I cleared the cache. Now it works fine. So it returns one after another. So this is interval creation function of RxJS. I just comment this as well. And I introduce one more creation observable function, that is timer. Okay, so timer observable. So now I want to print it. Okay, so what this timer will do? The timer will do the same, but we declare two different timings. So one is 3000, that means 3 milliseconds, that is 3 seconds. So this will start only after 3 seconds. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3, yes, started. So after 3 seconds, it emits the value one after another. See guys, so that's the magic of creation function observable. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's the wrap up for today. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. And if you have any questions, just contact the email or the contact number which I have given in the scrolling in the down. And these functions are essential for creating streams in RxJS that you will use them a lot when you're working with asynchronous data. So thanks for watching. Let's meet you in the next video. Bye.